guys, and today we are unboxing 2 traps! Let's do this! Trap unboxing, boxing on that trap. Alright, so here we have the sword, the green sword, the grass sword, the white sword. Boom! Look at the little sword I can fight with. Nice! So we got that sword. Put that in my trap box later. Then we got the air sword. That's not a good way. Here's the air trap. So in here I'm probably gonna capture probably Frankenstein. In here I'm probably gonna do Shield Shredder. You know. So these are the swords. Really nice. I got them at Toys R Us, $6.99. Really cool. Everything I got today that you would see. I just did Batman. I got her $6.99. I mean $10.99. Why would I say that? At Toys R Us. So comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll have some more things coming next. I'm not gonna tell you, but we got something planned for the end of this thing. We got, like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 more things to do tonight, and then we have something planned. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna make it look cool. Alright guys, bye.